Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this credit card with no credit check at all. Yes, it's 0% APR and $0 fee. You won't have to pay a single penny. And the great thing on top of it, that it's guaranteed. Yes, you have heard it right. It might sound untrue, but believe me, that was exactly my view when I came across this opportunity, and then now I'm using it myself. So don't worry about it. I'm going to show you my own account. I just got approved with my email address and only my cell phone number. That's it. Now I can use this card, and I'm so happy that I'm sharing it with you. So please watch this video till the end, because I'm also giving you an opportunity in this video which will allow you to get some free money with a link that I'm going to provide. So please watch this video till the end. This is an amazing surprise for all of my viewers on Credit Viral channel. So yes, please watch this video till the end, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and I'm going to show you my own account first. So here's the countdown: 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is my account right in front of you. Yes, and see right here I have this $600 as available credit. Yes, and believe me, what I'm going to show you, it's gonna shock you, because I got this $600 with my email address and cell phone. That's it. Yes, I did not provide my social security number because they don't need your credit at all. There is no credit check. There's nothing like this. They only require your email address, your cell phone number, and boom, you are approved. And I'm also going to paste the link below in the video's description. When you click on it and apply for Afterpay with that link, you will get free $10. Isn't it crazy, right? So now let's see how it works. What are the things you need to do? So please watch this video till the end, because I am really excited, and I know that you are really excited as well, because this is the holiday season and this $600, it's the deal. So here you go. Here is an Afterpay right in front of you. Yes, and this is an amazing opportunity because you can buy whatever you want without being worried that you have to pay everything at once. Yes, so let's see how the Afterpay works. So what they usually say right here, they say that you can actually pay anything you buy in just 4 interest-free payments. It's 0% interest, no annual fee, no fee at all. So yes, keep that in mind. You won't have to pay a single penny on interest or any fee. Yes, you have heard it right. And you can pay whatever you buy in 6 weeks. For example, I have a $600 credit, as I showed you, right? So I can buy anything for the $600. I can utilize it in all, and then I can pay the $600 in 4 interest-free payments, and no interest, no annual fee. It's crazy. So now let's see how it works. Again, as I told you, 4 easy installments. Pay for your purchases in 4 interest fee due to every 2 weeks. So it's due in every 2 weeks. Keep that in mind. There's nothing extra to pay. Always 0 interest, never additional fee when you pay. And remember, it's instant approval decision. Like for me, it took me around 30 seconds to get approved with just my email address and cell phone number. And I was so amazed, and I'm like, really, did it just happen? And it did happen. So yes, you can do that, no long forms, and if you are approved instantly, your order will be shipped as usual. So yes, keep that in mind. You can browse to your favorite stores, you can use Afterpay as your payment method as checkout, and then you can instantly create your account and complete your purchase. You can do that. There are a lot of stores who are actually accepting Afterpay as a payment method. But remember, you cannot just only use it online, you can use it actually on the actual stores. So how you can do that? For example, you went to Old Navy, you bought some stuff, and then now you wanted to pay. So when you get approved for Afterpay, so all you need to do, they will give you a credit card number. So what you can do, you can add that to your wallet, like your Google Pay or Apple Pay, and then you can use it in that store, and then you can actually pay it in 4 interest-free payments, and it's amazing. But remember, the question arises how they make money. They make money with a simple way. They charge from merchant. Yes, so for example, if there's something for $500, so what they exactly do, if you're already approved with Afterpay, so of course you will make the payment to Afterpay, like such as like $100 or whatever your first payment will be. So and then what they will do, the Afterpay will pay the complete amount to the merchant, right? So they are going to get their money with their expensive product and they're happy with it. So if they're giving like 5% or 10% to Afterpay as a referral fee or anything, so I think it's not gonna bother the merchant, and of course they are making money with it. So this is an amazing opportunity. I really wanted to show you guys, and see right here you can say the top deals. You can actually buy anything online as well. You can use it in the store as well, and there are some stores that I know. It's Old Navy, I believe it's Forever 21, and a number of more stores who actually accept Afterpay. So yes, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. I will be happy to answer, and let me know if you approved or denied, you know, because there's no credit check, so it's always worth to give it a try. So please do that, and let me know what do you think about this video in the comment. And remember, I am going to paste a link below in the video's description. You can click on it, you can sign up with that link, and when you do that, you're gonna get 10 free dollars. So please keep that in mind. This is an amazing opportunity. I'm really excited to share it with you. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video so it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.